Greetings, subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, we're at Henderson Chevrolet for a cruise night, and I was down in the area at Insane Power checking on the motor for the 70 Challenger, and this was right around the corner, so I decided to do this instead of the 5 or 6 trunk or treats that are going on. Those were all on the west side of town, so yeah, we just decided, hey, let's go down here. We're gonna be in the neighborhood, so yeah, why not? Check this thing out. Love the front plate, F Nader. That is hilarious. Oh, in case you didn't see it. Yeah, look at that. So it's been a while since I've seen this car, and in the daylight, yeah, it's pretty, I mean, it's pretty close. I don't know if it's a little darker, so not exactly Rancio Borealis, but check out this paint job and look at these flames. Oh, you know where we saw this? At the red car show, even though it's not red. We got some Trans Am, Scott's favorite. We'll get this road too. Yeah, I think when we wrap back around.
I didn't build the motor.
Yeah, weather's starting to get pretty crappy, windy. I'm not sure how the rest of the yeah, check this out. Not sure how the rest of the trunk or treats are gonna go this weekend, because it is supposed to get nasty. Like slight chance of rain, high wind gust warning. So, oh, and look at this, Iron Man, Infinity Stone. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And then I don't think this is a Manx original. It's probably just a kit, but still, it's cute. I think Jay Leno was just talking about these. You can take them anywhere, man. They weigh nothing.
There he is. There you are. No. You sure? Thank you.
Time Bandit. Oh man, yeah, you can barely see that on the screen, but yeah, I've seen this a few times. Total gasser. Yeah. Love this. Oh, look at it, it's even Corvette. Didn't notice that. Oh, for sale. Wanted it. Got a few more rolling in. That's nice. I don't know if I remember seeing that before. Available. Yeah, this one's really nice on the inside. Oh, taking off early. I don't know why. Yeah, boy, the wind's really starting to pick up now. This little Cheyenne's really cute. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Very nice. Pharaohs are out.
Oh yeah,
guys.
What's happening?
What's happening?
Yes, that's mine. Thank you.
Yes, I know. Love the carbs. That is beautiful. Whew. Stare at that all day, huh? And we got rolling in here. You'll eventually get there. You'll get there eventually. That's 6. That's 6. There's 7. We'll count the time. 7. There's 8. This will be 8. This will be 9. A good 10-point turn. Almost there. You might have it this one. You might actually have it on this one. And then it'll move it. Exner. I like this thing, man. It's obviously rough but cool. Rough but cool. That's the steering wheel. And I love these. That's sort of cool. Look out, yeah. That way. He's so scared, he's gonna move. Just got gas out. Oh, there we go. Somebody brings a freaking Lamborghini to a Corvette show. All right, what do we need to do? Check out some cars here. I was gonna say, was that Mel leaving? Nope. Yeah, the little GT500 here. He's been out a lot of times. Look at this motor though. Is that nice? And then the snake. That is so cool. Same here.
Convertible today?
Chad bringing his truck out. Look at that battery disconnect. Huh. It's nice. 302. There's Mel. He's out here. Lots of aluminum. Get the side of that. Get the graphics. There we go. All right, so yeah, I'm just kind of wandering around, just trying to get it all. There you go, Chuck. One more to add to your site. I don't know if they're part of the Pontiac group. 455 4-barrel. Very nice. Like I said, I don't know if this one has been at Celebrity Cars and Coffee with the factory hubcaps. Yeah. I'm trying to remember if I've seen it. Man, it almost looks like original paint too.
And we were supposed to remember this guy? There was a black guy.
Let's see, we got over here. Got some video of this before. Now imagine this is not going to turn out as nice at night, especially if this thing's so this guy roll in sounded great. Look how cute this thing is. Awesome. Alright, that's Bel Air. Pretty raw. Mustang. We'll get over here by Grampy. He came pulling in, leaving a great big oil slick. Guess he popped a power steering hose, looked like. My Apache. The OB58. Can't really see much.
New cars are coming, right?
Yeah, so yeah, here you go. Look at this. Yeah, he popped the power steering hose. So Plum Crazy Pam took him over to Riley's. Go get some more. Go get some new hose and some clamps. You know, he said it happened on the way coming in. Yeah, I'm just trying to burn through this section real quick because of the music, because I know they're gonna get me on that. Yeah. All right, we'll just do this row right here, and maybe I'll shoot over here this Lincoln real fast. It's Continental. Get it, and then yeah, that's a lot of car.
Oh, what angle?
Let's get over here, try to bury music, cover that up a little bit, and get by this 3100. There you go. See if we're gonna fire it up. Yeah, definitely my favorite grill. It's leaving already. Yeah, so 567. Yeah. Well, we'll get it fixed, get it back home. This is 29. I love this car. Get that. Yeah, well, that one's nice. Mr. Radlack. Bruce is here. Maybelline. But he's got corrosion on his battery terminal, and he's never going to win a trophy with that. And here's Bones. Bones is here for Halloween. He also picked up this little case from the Nostalgic store. Almost matches the interior perfectly. So I like it. And then yeah, Chuck's Cadillac, just not impressed. He doesn't even have the engine valve covers. Yeah, a little inside joke. And
Next door to your old neighbor.
They flattened him out. He showed me the picture there.
yeah, this thing's cool. Little daiquiri ice. See Plum Crazy Bam's back. Grab some chuck pads to clean up all the oil. And check this out on these DeVilles. This is one of my favorite little parts right there. You know, let's get over here on in the sun, in the sun side, underneath the lights. Yeah, look at this. That is so cool. All right. Well, Chuck's DeVille. Yeah. Some Imperial. Alright. Kind of wrap us back around over here. You know, and that's not a fake plate. He got the F later. I wonder what he said it meant. Anyway, get back over here. So, back to Fred. Fred says, hey, thanks for joining us here at Henderson Chevrolet. We'll see you on the next one. Later.